Hello everybody, my name is YOUUU Gamer and welcome to Anytime Back to this Lost Sounds Adventures of PHONEE. I have seen this game a lot, but I never played it. A lot of people say that the graphics are amazing and I be the judge of that. So let's just start. I played it a little, but not so much, so let's just see. So, who is all this? What was his name again? Poco something? Never mind. Okay, let's just play. And the creator wanted this to be a game where music is mostly involved with it. I don't know. I have no idea what is this game all about. So let's just see what is going on. Oh, by the way, there's the MP3. The sound here is so amazing. You should all try to play this game like a bit. Try to play the demo or something. I don't know. I don't even know if there's a gate demo or not. This is nice. So cute. Lost Sounds. Adventures of PHONEE. PHONEE. Okay, it's loading. Yay. So let's see. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. I played it for a bit. I don't know what's this. I don't know how to link this. Come on. You can take this. Let's go through this. I go through that. I go through here. I go through that. If you all know what's the story behind here, please do share, because I have no idea. Yes, I will still play Five Nights at Freddy's, don't worry. I will. Yay, let's go. Whee! Whee! Yeah, first level, yay. And second level, yay. Oh, there's more music now. There's more music. What's going on? What is going on? Whoa. The graphics is nice though. Better than most games. Better than that. Ooh, I am Lobez. The lost thread is found. Give back the sounds to the totems. The bug leads lead bug. Lead bug will send your way. Lead bug. Lead bug. Lead bug. Oh whoa. Cone City. Ooh, is that supposed to be like a? Okay. Ooh. What is going on? Whoa. Oh, that's so nice. It reminds me of Mountain Valley for me. It's like a lot. It reminds me of Mountain Valley, but it's more of a moving one than like you stay in place so that you can play. Oh, let's go. Whee! Go here. Oh damn. Where are we going? Press here. Damn it. With imp. Here we go here. Go in. What's the name? Tap it and feed it with music. Tap it. You mean that's a bit. Okay. No. Yay. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Nice. Where is it going, by the way? Okay. Okay. Now we can go in here, and then we'll come out here. Yeah, let's go down. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, ooh. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, this is so beautiful. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Right, okay. They're like so lonely over there. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, the music is so nice now. Go. Ooh, what's this? And it's loading. Shit. And it rotated. Shit. Okay, and we're here. Where are we? I don't see the graphics. Where's the link for going? Now this is so nice. I like this. But how the hell do you know where to go? I like this, seriously. Okay. This. Okay. Like, how do you know? How would you know that it's going this way? Oh, there. Okay. There, you can let go now. Thanks. We need to go here. Tap on that. We need to go there. That. What? Oh, okay, then we go here. There we go here. Yeah, we did it. Oh, this is so nice and good. Let's go. Oh. Shall press here. Then we shall press this one. Then we're gonna go here. We should go press again. I don't think so. I think we need to go over there. Go over there. Echo, let go. Yeah, hell yeah. Okay, now we need to go here. And damn it, Poco. Or is it Eco? Yes. Go that way. Then this one rise up. Yay! Okay, go. My microphone, sorry if it's too soft and it becomes so loud, because my microphone, where to go? Oh, my microphone is like, I'm using new headphones, my microphone spoiled. And it's sad because I can't. I love that headphones. Whoa, is that a totem? Oh my god, yes. Totem, let's go. Many years have passed since the noise. So, subways again filled with lowlands. Now go, PHONEE, find the next spirit. Okay, I will. I like it when he's just... Oh, okay, they walk off. Wow. Okay. He's still dancing at the side there. My throat hurts so much. Okay. Whoa, it's reacting. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm floating again. Oh my god, I can fly. I am Oshi, spirit of 9KHG, HG and above. Wake up my totem with a missing tinkle. Okay, what's the tinkle? The noise must be defeated. The noise. Okay, okay. Leave me alone now. Yeah. I like it when he's just okay. No, I just save spirits now. That's my job now. Let's see my bed. Oh shit. My battery. It's slowly dying. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. After this, I think should be enough. Whoa, that's nice. Okay, we here. Can't. Over here. Can't. Okay. We shall go down. No? So I saw a button or something. No? How the hell did I go up there? Maybe here. Let's walk over here, right? Yes, there you go. Yes. Go, go, go. Work faster, oh my god. Go here, oh my god. Okay, now we wish we can go up here. God damn it. Go there, go there. Yes, finally. Grab, 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 grab. No, 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 no. Ooh. Wee. Okay. Wait. Go there. No. Oh well. You go down. No. The hell did you go there? Oh, okay. Woohoo! I don't know what I did, but I did it. Tap. Okay. All the new things. Going up. Going that way, then go down. Ding. Tap this one. No. Power. Damn it, flame. Not let me down. Good. Let's tap this one. Yeah. Go up here, go down. Go that way. Go down, go down, go down. God. No? Okay. What am I supposed to do now? I'm back where I started. Do I have to press this? No. I'm going up. Going down. Supposed to be another way, right? Yeah. Okay, I need to go down. Damn it. This is so hard. Can I go that way? No? No? Okay. I have to go to the other side. Hopefully I'm doing this correctly because noobs. I'm tapping. Tap, tap, yes. Go. Go this way. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's go here. Wee. 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 Yeah, let's go. Okay. Fast here, going up. Up here, go here. The puzzles here are quite simple if you ask me. Okay, water, filling up. Okay. We need to turn that thing. Okay, let's go. 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 Going up. Press this one first. Oh my god. Go here. Go down. Go here. Go down. Ooh. Ooh. Need to press this. Whoa, 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 dream. Yeah, almost there. Almost there. Okay guys, I think we're gonna end it off. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you like it. If you like, subscribe, and peace. Bye.